Hi, my name is Erica from Authentic Pilates Learning Center. Chest expansion on the armchair. We start by leaning into it, pushing the entire body up against the chair, from the hips to the middle to the ribs. Keep those arms nice and long by the side, and you're going to take those arms back and bring it, and reaching those arms back and down towards the floor. And again. Good. The next version, you're going to take your body away from the chair, pull the chair in close to you without touching, pushing those hips forward, shoulders right on top of those hips, and you're going to take those arms back and then release. Trying to keep the body, the weight of your body forward, so you're not leaning back. You really need to fight to keep the body forward. Reach those arms down towards the floor, back, and continuing to reach down to the floor. And back in. On the next one, we're going to do the same exact thing, standing on top of the chair. Pull the chair in, keep it nice and upright, and take those arms back, and release. And gently take the chair back. So these are the three different versions of the chest expansion on the armchair. Next, we're going to do an exercise that's a little bit more advanced. I'm going to step in up on top, keep those feet parallel, bring the chair close to you. Now, you want to bring those arms up, and we're going to squat, trying to maintain the shoulders right on top of those hips. You're going to take it back and lift back up. Bring it back, and you can alternate with the chest expansion. Take those arms up, lift those arms up as you go down. That will give you more stability. Up, take it down, and open the chest. And lift those arms up, and lift those arms up as you go down. The knees touch the front of the chair, and trying to remain with the body on top of those hips. And take it back. Press. And lift. Back. And up. And chest expansion. And bring it back. Gently let the chair go. And step off.